Talk to me, say something. Say something. Say something. You're just sitting right there, just sitting up there on your ass. Life is just passing you by. You've got to do something. Talk to me. Say something. Get your ass up.
You gotta get up, gotta get up, gotta get up. You gotta get up, gotta get up, gotta get up.
You got to deal with consistency.
Gotta stay up, gotta stay up.
After you get up, you got to stay up.
You gotta stay up, gotta stay up.
You got to stay up. You know, the only thing that comes to people who do nothing, oh no, there's a reward. There's a big reward for doing nothing. You know what reward you get?